Alright, here's how to make a blank comment on Instagram. So first of all, just open any browser on your smartphone. So I'm going with Brave. You can choose Chrome, Safari, whatever you desire. Now just click on the search bar and type here Invisible Character Generator. Now search it. Just go on the first website, EditPad, and here click on Copy to Clipboard. Alright, now go back again on Instagram. Alright, now let's comment on one of these posts. Just paste the code you have copied from the website and press enter. Now as you can see, I have successfully commented a blank comment. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.